quick reading for January the 29th to the 31st, Pisces. So we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Empress. Medyo matagal yung inaantay natin na bakit wala pang result, no? For some reason, nagtatake naman tayo ng action. Pwede nating sabihin na ginagampanan ko naman yung trabaho ko, no? Bilang as partner dito kay person, pero parang hindi niya ako nakikita. Nagpapapansin na ako, nagpagupit na ako, parang my person is not giving me any attention. Pero yun lang ang alam mo. It felt like medyo inimbak niya itong mga papuri niya sa'yo, Pisces. And it felt like ito na yung mga panahon na siguro bubuksan na rin niya, no, yung bunganga niya to actually appreciate what you're doing. Seven of Pentacles, the Sun, and the Empress. I feel like meron ka rin ginagawa dito sa katawan mo. Either nagpapapayat, nagpapaputi, nagpapatan, nagpapakulot, no? Nagpapa-straight ng buhok or Brazilian, no? Or baka nagpapalagay ka ng konting fat. It doesn't matter. Parang sinasabi niya, uy, bagay sa'yo, no? So this is your quick reading, Pisces, for January the 29th to the 31st.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yeah.